Hello, Chef here, back again in one of the kitchens with yet another recipe for you. And what do we have here? Beets. Fresh beets. Yeah, looking good. We're making borscht soup. And this is a traditional soup from Poland and Russia and other parts of the world. It's really good. It's superfood and it's super healthy for you. Now, in this recipe, we don't peel the beets. Notice I'm using a plastic cutting board. The color doesn't matter. I just don't want to get red beet juice all over my beautiful wood butcher block. So the trick here is to remove the top of the beet, and this gets discarded. These are very, very tough. And I'm going to leave the peel on the beet and just cut it into quarters like this. Okay. Whoa, yeah, look at that color. It's beautiful. Looking really good. That, in turn, goes into a pot. We're going to cover this with water. Okay, we're going to repeat here. These other beets. Okay, just like this. A few other ingredients I'm going to be putting into my soup here. I've got one small onion, and this is just going to get chopped. I want the flavor of the onion. And one bay leaf. Okay, we're going to add some salt and pepper. And one more thing, this is a kind of a mild soup, but I'm still going to put a little bit of herbs. I've got some fresh basil here. I'll put a little bit of herbs in there as well. And then we're going to just let this simmer. I'm going to say 1 hour plus till those beets get tender. Okay, so the borscht has been gently simmering now for about 45 minutes. We checked the beets with a fork. Still a little firm. So we're going to continue cooking for another 15 minutes or so. I'll be back. Okay, so some of these beets have started to cool off. I thought I would add a little garnish to this soup and make it a little bit fancier. So I'm using this titanium knife, and I'm just cutting some nice slices like this. Oh yeah. So looking really good. Beautiful beets. Thank you, farmers, for making such amazing beets. Alright, now I'm going to use my teardrop cutters today, and I'm going to select a kind of a medium-sized cutter here. Just do some teardrop shapes. Really nice. Of course, the whole beet's going to get utilized. I'm not going to waste it. Just looking for a little bit of a fancier shape for my soup here. And as well, I'm going to use my honeycomb scoop and do just a few of these honeycomb shapes too. It's just so cool looking. The color is stunning, and I want to have some of this in the soup. Shapes going on here, looking really cool. Time to assemble the soup. The finished borscht, looking really good. I've removed some of the beets, And I'm just going to be putting a little bit of this borscht here into the bowl. It's a nice clear borscht, similar to a consommé, except there's some extra goodies in there. Okay, right there's a nice serving. A little bit more. Okay. And I'm going to be adding some of these small shapes that I made from the beets. As well as a little garnish. For the garnish, I've got these awesome chives. Just going to give them a little bite-sized cut like this. Put the chives on the soup. And with that, thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. Don't forget to support your sponsor, Titanium Knives, Butcher Blocks, all the good stuff to get you on the cutting edge. Get cooking and have a beautiful day. Here is a finished mushroom appetizer. This is Appalachian red oak with a clear coat of food-safe varnish. This is made in America. This is the best butcher block and desk surface, in my opinion. Countertops, islands, you name it. It's beautiful. Red oak is more porous and it will accept stain a little bit more. This is the same thing here, except this one is mineral oil finished. And then we're going to make it look like this. This is dark American walnut. Same deal, made in America, full-length strips, food-safe glue, perfectly flat, perfectly square. Yeah, really, really nice. So stay tuned with me, and I'm going to be back and show you a few tips here. Here, so I'm using this block today. I noticed it's getting a little bit dry. Time to oil it again. So I'm going to be using two products today. I thought I'd share them with you as I oil this end grain rock maple butcher block. So the first one is let me see. The first one is my standard right here, and that is this awesome Boost Mystery Oil. Love it. Second one is the board cream. Okay, board cream, good stuff. So you notice they're different. The board cream's a little bit thicker. You actually have to squeeze it pretty good to get it out of the package. And the oil is a little thinner, so it pours out easier. So I actually take and mix the two together. I'm going to put a little bit of my mixture on the block like this, right here. Just like that. And I'm going to work it in with a plastic bag here, a little swirl motion like this. Okay, work it in real good. If your block's really dry, it's going to suck that oil right up. This particular block has not been oiled in a while, so it's sucking it right up really quick. You can see that. It's penetrating. Yeah. That is the video. If you need the products, your sponsors got them right there. This will be dry within a few minutes or hours. I'll just let it sit overnight, and it'll be totally dry by morning. Thanks for watching. Keep cooking. Have a beautiful day.